In this video, we're going to explore how we can use the property or the CSS property border width and give it a decoration to make sure it has a thicker or thinner thickness for the border width. So basically here, right now what we have here is our border here on this ABC here, and you can see the border width is 3 pixels everywhere. And what we want to do now, we want to control that. Let's say we want to increase the thickness for the double. Instead of what we have now, 3 pixels, let's put it on 5 pixels. So we can say your border dash width, and then you say here 5 pixels. And if you save that and refresh, you can see the thickness has increased, and of course you can see it also in the CSS developer tab. You can see here now the border has been 5 pixels. And we can increase this as much as we want. If we save this here, refresh, now it becomes here as well. And this is of course with the border box sizing, or basically the box sizing. Let's undo this, save that, then refresh. You can see now what's going to happen. Once we increase the border width and we use box sizing, which I highly recommend to always use. This should be a default setting in your CSS style sheet, in the root basically, or not in the root, or here in the asterisk. Use that in the default settings, so it will be universal. And then you can see here, so in our case of course we have here now what's happening is the content here becomes squeezed in, because this is only 30 pixels while the border width is 10 pixels, and you can see the text in here that hardly fits within here. However, this is very important to use. But of course here what we have here, let's say we do here the dash border style, and then you can see here refresh, and there you are. It becomes very big, probably not even suitable. But if you do solid here as well, there you are. And we can control this. Commonly we will do 1 and then refresh here. Usually 1 is more than enough. And if you want to really highlight something, 3 might be a decent one. So now we know how to use the border width property, and now how we can give it a declaration to increase and decrease the border width. What we want to do as well, of course, is the colors. How can we give the border a proper color? So that's next video. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.